Sore eyes home remedies. 15 ways to treat sore eyes naturally at home. Are your eyes feeling sore, itchy, burning, or just plain tired? That uncomfortable sensation can really disrupt your day. Before we explore 15 natural and simple sore eyes home remedies to help you find soothing relief, please remember this video offers general information and should not replace advice from a medical professional. If your sore eye symptoms are severe, persist, or worsen, it's crucial to consult an eye doctor immediately. Links to resources supporting these natural ways to treat sore eyes can be found in the description below. Welcome to our daily health. Let's quickly understand why you might be experiencing sore eyes. Common culprits include prolonged screen time, environmental irritants, allergies, dryness, minor infections, or even just fatigue. Thankfully, numerous natural sore eyes home remedies can help alleviate your discomfort and support the natural healing process. Here are 15 natural ways to treat sore eyes naturally at home using effective sore eyes home remedies. Number 1. Cold compress. Cold compress is a straightforward yet highly effective sore eyes home remedy for rapidly reducing swelling, inflammation, and that burning sensation. The cool temperature helps to constrict dilated blood vessels in the eye area. This vasoconstriction can significantly decrease redness, puffiness, and the overall discomfort associated with sore eyes. Simply soak a clean, soft cloth in cool water and wring out any excess. Gently place the cold compress over your closed sore eyes for 5 to 10 minutes at a time. Repeat this soothing application several times throughout the day for noticeable sore eye relief. Number 2. Warm compress. A warm compress can also be an incredibly beneficial sore eyes home remedy, particularly for addressing conditions like styes, chalazion, or persistent dry eyes. The gentle warmth helps to increase blood circulation to the affected area. This improved blood flow can effectively reduce inflammation, promote faster healing, and help to loosen any blocked oil glands in the eyelids that contribute to dryness. Soak a clean, soft cloth in warm, not hot water, and ensure you wring out any excess moisture. Gently apply the warm compress to your closed sore eyes for 5 to 10 minutes, repeating this comforting treatment several times daily to effectively treat sore eyes. Number 3. Refreshing cucumber slices. Cucumber slices are a widely recognized natural sore eyes home remedy prized for their inherent cooling and potent anti-inflammatory properties. They can provide significant soothing relief to tired, puffy, and generally sore eyes. The high water content of cucumbers naturally hydrates the delicate skin surrounding the eyes. Chill a fresh cucumber in the refrigerator for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Place the cold cucumber slices gently over your closed sore eyes for a relaxing 10 to 15 minutes, offering a refreshing and effective way to treat sore eyes. Thinking of trying any of these sore eyes remedies? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this video provided value for you, please show your support with a like and subscribe for more natural health content. Don't forget to share it with anyone who might be interested. Number 4. The gentle touch of rosewater. Pure rosewater is a time-honored and gentle natural sore eyes remedy that has been traditionally used for centuries to effectively soothe irritated and inflamed eyes. It possesses inherent anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties that can provide noticeable relief from redness, dryness, and general discomfort. Ensure you are using only pure, 100% preservative-free rosewater specifically intended for topical use. You can use it as a gentle eye rinse or apply it liberally to a clean cotton pad and gently place the pad over your closed sore eyes for a calming and hydrating treatment to naturally treat sore eyes. Number 5. Soothing chamomile tea bags. Chamomile tea contains natural compounds with significant anti-inflammatory and calming properties, making cooled chamomile tea bags a remarkably gentle sore eyes home remedy. They can be particularly effective in reducing puffiness, redness, and general irritation around the delicate eye area. Brew 2 organic chamomile tea bags using hot water, allowing them to steep for a few minutes. Once the tea bags have completely cooled down to room temperature or slightly chilled, gently place them over your closed sore eyes for a relaxing 10 to 15 minutes, offering a soothing way to naturally treat sore eyes. Ensure no tea seeps directly into your eyes. Number 6. The healing power of aloe vera. Aloe vera, renowned for its exceptional soothing and potent anti-inflammatory properties, can be a remarkably helpful sore eyes natural remedy. It can effectively help to reduce redness, burning, and general irritation. Gently mix 1 teaspoon of fresh and pure aloe vera gel with 2 tablespoons of cold filtered water. Thoroughly soak clean cotton rounds in this diluted aloe vera mixture. Gently place the saturated cotton rounds over your closed sore eyes for a soothing 10-minute treatment. Repeat this gentle process twice daily to effectively soothe and naturally treat sore eyes. Ensure you use only pure aloe vera gel and avoid getting it directly into your eyes. Number 7. The comfort of a warm milk compress. A warm milk compress is a traditional and surprisingly soothing sore eyes home remedy that many individuals find comforting for mild irritation. The natural fat content present in whole milk may help to gently moisturize the delicate skin surrounding the eyes, providing a degree of relief from dryness and general irritation. Soak a clean, soft cloth in warm, not hot whole milk, and ensure you wring out any excess liquid. Gently place the warm milk compress over your closed sore eyes for a comforting 5 to 10 minutes, offering a gentle way to naturally treat sore eyes. Number 8. The potential benefits of castor oil. Pure, hexane-free castor oil is sometimes used topically around the eyes to help alleviate mild eye irritation and can be considered a natural approach to treat sore eyes. It is believed to possess inherent anti-inflammatory properties that may contribute to soothing discomfort. Gently apply a very small amount, a thin layer of pure, hexane-free castor oil to the skin around your eyes, being careful to avoid direct contact with the eye itself. Some individuals also use a single drop of ophthalmic-grade castor oil directly in the eye, but this should be done with extreme caution and research. Number 9. The simple act of blinking more frequently. Blinking is the natural and essential mechanism by which our eyes maintain adequate lubrication. When we are intensely focused on digital screens or engaged in prolonged reading, our blink rate often significantly decreases, which can rapidly lead to the development of dry and consequently sore eyes. Make a conscious and deliberate effort to blink more frequently throughout your day to help ensure your eyes remain properly moisturized and to naturally treat sore eyes caused by dryness. Actively practice the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes of screen time, take a 20-second break to look at something located 20 feet away. Number 10. The restorative power of resting your eyes. Providing your eyes with adequate rest is absolutely crucial for maintaining overall eye health and can significantly help to relieve sore eyes that are primarily caused by strain and fatigue. Actively reduce your overall screen time and prioritize obtaining sufficient quality sleep each night. When you are engaged in activities that require intense visual focus, make sure to take regular and deliberate breaks to allow your eyes to rest. Simply closing your eyes for a few minutes at regular intervals can provide significant and much-needed relief for tired and sore eyes. Number 11. The soothing properties of eyebright. Eyebright, Euphrasia officinalis, is a herb traditionally used for various eye conditions, including soothing sore eyes. It contains compounds believed to have anti-inflammatory and astringent properties. You can find eyebright in tea form or as a liquid extract. If using tea bags, cool them after brewing and place them on closed eyes. For liquid extracts, dilute according to product instructions and use as a gentle eye wash, ensuring it's sterile. Number 12. The hydrating effect of staying well hydrated. While not a direct topical treatment, ensuring your body is adequately hydrated plays a crucial role in overall eye health and can help alleviate sore eyes caused by dryness. When you are dehydrated, your body may produce fewer tears, leading to dry and irritated eyes. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to maintain proper tear production and keep your eyes lubricated, supporting the natural treatment of sore eyes. Number 13. Avoiding irritants. Actively avoiding known environmental irritants is a crucial step in preventing further aggravation of sore eyes and promoting their natural healing. Common irritants include smoke, both direct and second-hand, dust, pet dander, pollen, and harsh chemical fumes. Make a conscious effort to minimize your exposure to these substances and maintain a clean, well-ventilated living and working environment to support sore eye relief. Number 14. The gentle rinse of saline solution. A simple saline solution, similar to your natural tears, can be an effective and gentle sore eyes home remedy for flushing out minor irritants and providing soothing moisture. You can purchase sterile saline eye wash solutions at most pharmacies. Gently rinse your sore eyes with the saline solution as needed to remove any dust, debris, or allergens that may be contributing to the irritation. Number 15. The potential of green tea compresses. Green tea contains potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that may offer relief for sore eyes. Brew 2 bags of organic green tea and allow them to cool completely. Once cool, place the tea bags over your closed sore eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. The tannins in green tea may also help to reduce puffiness around the eyes. Ensure no tea seeps directly into your eyes.